Hello guys. Musta guys? Musta guys? Okay ra? Akong tanawan og okay ra ba? Hey, Shangar. Hello, Shang. Needles cooking. Yeah, we have a entry. Hello guys. We have a entry guys ha. Today we are entry number 2. Number 2 entry. So, Shangi, how are you doing, Shangi? How are you? Si Shangi is here. Shangar. Native cooking. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. How are you doing? Yeah. We have what do you call this? Entry. We have entry. I can't remember. Yeah, we have already here. So we have. This is entry number 1. Hey, Flip. Hello. Don't forget to like. Yeah. Hey, Bong Rebellion. Naka-live man ko. Oy. Okay ra Dairos. Tagay lang kog likes Dairos. Tagay kog likes nag-entry man ko Dairos. Tam sa QS ko ha. Usa ka. Oh, okay. Bong Rebellion. Sige time sa kay dira o. Oh. Naa si Flatford. Oh, time sa ha. Kadyot raman ko. Very short. Short live. Half an hour lang because latuson ti karos. Oh, ibutang na ko dari ha. Oh, thumbs up tusok. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, this is because later we have this one is entry number 2. We have also entry number 4 later and entry number 3 later. Flip, flip. Si flip, haman to si flip. Flip 2. Oh, si flip 2 na adi-ari. So, ako ning i-appeal si flip. Si Bong Rebellia, oh, napal si Bong Rebellia, si Flip 2, si Shangi, okay, si Flip, din si Shang, akong butang rin si Shangar. Si Shangar na at si naka-live ko, o si Bong Rebellia, o, si Bong Ari Usapod. Si Bong here. Imuha ni Day ha. You have a entry Day, Bong. Bong R. Okay. Naraon na naka-entry. So, I have entry here. Then motor. Yeah. Flap 2. They have also entry. So, I want, yeah. This is entry number 3. Hello, the buds. Oh, thank you. Hello, the buds. Hello. How are you, the buds? The buds is here in the house. I see. Daraon. Oh, daraon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. The buds is here. So the buds is here. May see the buds. Yeah, the buds and bong. The buds. The buds is here. Yeah, okay. Because we are here now to our live for entry because in my birthday, you guys, please, in my birthday very soon, okay? Yeah. So flip here. Bong Rebellia. This is entry number 4, okay? Entry number 2. Because one, oh my gosh, I need to pay my, okay. Here. There we go. So now, yeah. And also, I tried my ring light because this is my ring light, okay? Happy birthday. Not yet. Feb 4. Huh? You cannot hear me? How come? Okay, you look and see. Maybe this one not. Yeah, I try my uh, I try my okay, I want to try this. Now can hear, okay? Yeah? Yeah. How about this? Okay, tell me. You hear? This one, you can hear me now? Hello. Oh my, too itchy. Okay, okay now? I don't like a green color, okay? That one. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Yes, we are having, yeah, and I'm hoping they have someone. Yeah, I try to testing this because this said this one if you put properly, they will. It works very good. I'm only yeah because this one I remember I brought this. I bought this in at Walmart. I bought this at Walmart. The ring light. You know this ring light. You see? Yeah. I bought this at Walmart. I think how much is this? I think this is around $40. Yeah. Kermit said it's not easy being green. Oh really? Nidan, hey, hello. Hey, Dave. I'm Fort. Yes, here, here. Don't forget to likes. Oh really? It's not I don't know. Oh my goodness. Just a second. Long time no see. Don't forget to likes. How are you doing? Oh my gosh, it's so hot. You don't like green, so I want to try to. Okay, okay. The green is okay. Look, how are you doing? It's not easy. Okay, that one. Oh really? Oh, belated like that. I'm broke, no guest. Yeah, that's a sad story. I'm only happy that I am okay, healthy. I am just happy that I'm healthy. Okay. Yeah, this one is blue. American are broke because like gets worse every day. I know David, but I just don't talk. I just don't talk. We just quiet. What we can do? Oh, that's the only one. We just mm, understand like that. I am yeah. That's the thing there. Okay. I know it's very hard, but what we can do, I put you into my entry, David, because you are here. You are my entry. At least you are here today. I was so happy to see you. So I want to put you, you look always, yeah. No, not maganda, ugly. Ugly, maganda. No. Mm-mm. So how is no, we don't talk about that. How is the weather down there? Because in the Canada is very as lots of snow. Devon, Devon. Hey, Leticia. Hey, Leticia, how are you, Leticia? Leticia, how are you doing? I'll give you, Leticia, I'll put you a moderator. Leticia, how are you doing? I'm fine. Oh, you're good. That's wonderful. For like then support host. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, I will put you into our with a second because Leticia 14, 15, 16. Leticia, David, the bad, the bad, the bad. Yeah, it's here. David here. Okay lang host. Oh, that's nice. I'm fine. Oh, that's good. That's good. No, I'm doing entry. This is entry number 2 because in my birthday I'm giving away Gcash. Yeah. David and Leticia. Leticia, David, and the bud. Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, here. And I think I'm not sure if the bud is here already. Oh, nothing. The bud is not there. I put the bud, here, the bud. Yeah, economy in this time is pretty good. So done, okay? Three. Diane has Leticia and David, yeah. So we are 16, 14, 15, 16. I want to look because I want to make sure. Yeah. One, two, three, four, 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 five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, yeah. I think for, yeah. Yeah, it's very hard. Oh my gosh. I want to make sure that everything is good, okay? I only here for half an hour or maybe 20, yeah, 20 minutes. That's enough for me. Then after, I will cook because I have a new video for cooking. I only video straight. Then after the second one is because I make chicken curry Filipino dish. So yeah, so I hope after my cooking the result is good. Yeah. So everyone is difficult, David. David. Yeah. We cannot help. Yeah. I think the reflection also from my clothes. Yeah. This one. Yeah. That's okay. Or very bright. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah. Okay, guys, and that's it. I hope everyone is good, and thank you so much for. It's very hot, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so humid. But the cold, oh my gosh. Yeah. Yun just get to guys, if you want to Wow. I want to put this moderator. Yes. Yeah, this is my second channel. David know it. Yeah. BG, maganda need to take trash out. Oh, sure, no problem. So, how is the weather, by the way? The weather, I'm so interested for the weather because in the second in the other area is the weather is cold. Oh yeah, it's very cold. Oh my gosh. I know the cold is not easy. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys, and that's it. And I hope you enjoy it like a little something. This is entry number 2, and the next one is later around I think around 7 o'clock. So we have or 8. We have another entry number 3. Okay, and I hope you enjoy and please be safe, every one of us. And David, thank you so much, David, Leticia, and Flef, thank you, Motor. Thank you so much, and Susana, Bong Rebilla, thank you, and have a good day, okay? Take care, maganda. Bye-bye.